fascinating. Your work explores the intersection of science, media, and politics. And that's a hypercharged, super crowded space. What are your findings about our perception of science and our everyday lives?
Yeah, so that's a really big question. You know, a lot of us like to think of ourselves as rational thinkers, as rational processors, right? And, you know, in general, not just my findings, but findings in science communication show that we're not very good rational processors. That's a really big takeaway from science communication. It's that it's not just information that is changing how we feel about science or scientific issues that are relevant to us today. But it's often kind of the values that we bring and how we rationalize that information to kind of fit. Now, we've been talking about climate change for decades now, right? And you know, the one thing we know is that it's a hypercharged issue. It is a highly politicized issue. And this idea that you view the other side, right, as kind of hostile to yours, this idea of hostile media perception, or at least, you know, the other side always has something wrong with their media coverage, right? And that's a form of rationalization, right? We're making it fit with our worldviews. And in fact, the more educated we are, the better equipped we are to kind of counter-argue facts, right? And to kind of make information fit our worldviews.
Let's take a quick look at confirmation bias. Research confirms that the smarter we are, the better we are at cherry-picking information that supports our own pre-existing opinions. Confirmation bias happens to all of us, making meaningful communication about topics like climate change very complicated. But this meaningful communication is very, very important. How good are we now in the 21st century with scientists and kind of the communication/media piece getting together to make sure we're telling a better and more comprehensive narrative?
My aha moment was definitely learning about the knowledge deficit model, which was mind-blowing for me.
The knowledge deficit model implies that individuals have gaps in their knowledge about climate change. And if those gaps are filled, that is, if they gain more information, they will understand climate change and will work towards fixing it. The problem is the knowledge deficit model doesn't work. Why? Because everyone, regardless of how much we understand the science behind climate change, filters information through our experiences before we adjust our attitudes. Those experiences rely on emotions and how we perceive the world. Experts are now working on how to reframe science communication to help overcome biases. And we're getting better at not just pointing to data, but also learning how to tell a story about that data. It's a flooded macro environment. There's so much information out there. Some of it is spot on correct, some of it is so-so, not so correct, and some of it is darn right false. And as an expert in communication, what's your advice to the viewer around how he or she can navigate this space and make decisions and trust some content versus others?
We don't often think about emotions because that is something that we don't associate with this objective endeavor of science, right, and the scientific enterprise. But emotion helps us make decisions. And this idea of strategic communication for science is important, right? And thinking about how empirical results in science communication research can help us, right? Advertising and marketing has been doing this for years. We've just never done it for science. For viewers, it's really difficult, a healthy dose of skepticism and kind of very many sources of information, trusted sources.